Good morning, dear students of class 5th. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 13, India's Neighbors. So I shall be continuing. Look at the map of India. We will notice that Pakistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, China, and Myanmar are our immediate neighbors. In the map of India, these all are the neighboring countries of India: Pakistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, China, and Myanmar. Besides these seven countries, Afghanistan and Maldives are also our close neighbors. Look at the map of India. Afghanistan and Maldives are also our close neighbors. Look at on the map that India shares boundaries with Pakistan in the northwest. The direction of Pakistan is the northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north direction, and Myanmar, Bangladesh in the east. The island of Sri Lanka is our southern neighbor in the sea. The island of Sri Lanka is our southern neighbor in the sea. So, these all are the neighboring countries of India. India believes in the policy of belief. India has always followed a path of peace, and history proves that India has never attacked any country for gaining the territory. We always maintain friendly relations with our neighboring as well as far away countries. We always believe in solving the mutual differences through peaceful means. And these policies help us to share cultural and trade relations with our neighbors since ancient times. So let us take a look at some common features of language, food, and culture that we share with our neighbors. First of all, similarity of language between India and Pakistan. Pakistan came into existence only in 1947. Till then, Pakistan was a part of India, and we share a common history and culture, and there are many similarities in language, food, and dress between India and Pakistan. Pakistan came into existence only in 1947. Till then, Pakistan was a part of India. The commonly spoken language in India and Pakistan are Hindi and Urdu. The commonly spoken languages of India and Pakistan are Hindi and Urdu. Both Hindi and Urdu evolved from Sanskrit, the mother of all languages. So let us find out difference between Hindi and Urdu. First difference is Hindi is written from left to right and Urdu is written from right to left. Hindi uses vocabulary from Sanskrit and Urdu uses vocabulary from Persian and Arabic. So this is the difference between Hindi and Urdu language. So dear students, today we read page number 119 and 120 of chapter 13, India's Neighbors. So you have to learn the neighboring countries of India. Tomorrow we will discuss this chapter with the topic of similarity of food between India and Nepal and all the other neighboring countries. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.